I was climbing out of this dumpster, and this lady rolled up on me, and I thought she was going to go full Karen, but it didn't turn out like that.
It's a gray area, for sure.
There's a thing on the, because I actually called the police station.
Yeah, what'd they say?
They said as long as it says no trespassing, it's free for all.
As long as it doesn't say
As
that.
long as it says no trespassing, it's free for all.
Yeah.
I wanted to get it from somebody
Yeah.
that's actually freaking doing it.
No, yeah. So, yeah, I've been doing it for quite a while, and I've never had any problems with, like, cops or people, like...
Driven by you and said something? Or
Yeah, so, the cops, no. Sometimes it's been like the mall security or the security.
What, the mall too?
There's a couple.
Too?
Yeah. But the only times the cops ever have like rolled up on me, they're concerned that you're dumping stuff in.
Gotcha.
So,
Sweet.
and then like, yeah, like an employee or like a manager might be like, hey, you can't be in there, and then it's just like, oh, okay, and then you just leave. Like,
Yeah, because they did say something about if they want to press charges, they will.
yeah,
Company, though.
yeah,
Yeah. So, sweet shit, have fun.
Yeah.
Wish I could do it.
yeah.